Good morning. Hello and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. This is Shruti, and every Sunday I will be your storyteller. These stories you will be listening, reading, and observing each and every word that I say. Every story has a moral of its own. What do you take back from the story is up to you. So, let's start with the first story. Today's story is 86,400 seconds. This is a story of a man who always let the outer world define his state of mind. So, let's begin to know more about him. Once there was a man. If you would tell him anything bad, then he would just think about that one thing and feel bad for the rest of the day. He always complained, "This man told me like this. That's the reason my mood is bad. I fought with this person. That's the reason my mood is bad." His cassette never stopped. It always used to play on repeat. One day, the boss calls him into his cabin. The man enters. The boss says, "Take a seat." The man takes his seat and says, "Yes, sir." His boss says, "Imagine in your account 86,400 rupees is there. From that, I spend around 100 rupees without your permission. What will you do with the remaining money?" The man looks at his boss. The boss asks him, "What will you do with the remaining money? Will you throw it? Will you burn it? Or say, will you flush it?" At that moment, the man replies, "Sir, who will do like that? How can I throw, burn, or flush my money? It's my money, sir." The boss smiles and says, "You do it daily." The man gets confused. He looks at his boss. The boss says, "Each and every day, by feeling bad, you do the very same thing. We are humans and we have 24 hours in a day. That means a human being in a day has 86,400 seconds to live. So, in a day, if someone behaves badly with you or you have a fight for, say, 50 seconds, 60 seconds, 5 minutes, the rest of the day, if you keep thinking only about that one certain incident and feeling bad, does it make any sense?" The man looks at his boss and smiles and says, "Thank you, sir." So, I guess the man understood what his boss wanted to say. Did you? Please remember, the money that you have lost, you may get it back. But the time that you have in your hands, once lost, will never be back. So don't bother about how people behave with you, how people talk to you. See how you behave with yourself. See how you behave with people. Have control over your emotions. So now that you have heard the story, I guess you can answer some easy questions. So let's start. What is the title of the story? What is the title of the story? The title of the story is 86,400 seconds. The title of the story is 86,400 seconds. How many hours are there in a day? How many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. How much money did the boss take from the man's imaginary account? How much money did the boss take from the man's imaginary account? The boss took 100 rupees from the man's imaginary account. The boss took 100 rupees from the man's imaginary account. Please read the story 2 to 3 times or more. Read the story loudly so that you can hear yourself. Remember, English speaking is taking one step at a time. Thank you for now. Meet you next Sunday. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, take care, and namaste.